अब्दुल्ला, चावल चुनने आते तुम्हें? चावल चुनने आते? तो आता क्या है बावले? एक तो फेल होके आगे ऊपर से कोई काम भी नहीं करेगा। काम कर, चुनना सीखो।
Bilal Abbas has emerged as a promising talent in the Pakistani entertainment industry, captivating audiences with his performances in various projects. However, despite his strengths, there are areas where he could improve to reach his full potential.
ससी, आप यहाँ दरवाजा खटखटा के रहना चाहिए, इसे कैसे आ सकती है अंदर?
क्यों? अब तुम मुझे बताओगे कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं?
जाए जाए।
तुम्हें क्या हुआ है? ऐसे डर क्यों रहे हो हीरोइनों की तरह?
वो आप अचानक आ गई, हम पढ़ाई कर रहे थे।
In his past projects like Aurangzeb and Cheek, Bilal Abbas showcased his ability to dive deep into his characters, portraying emotions with authenticity. His dedication to his craft has been evident, earning him praise from fans and critics.
माफ कर दे रहा हूँ मुझे।
His latest project, Ishq Murshad, once again highlights his acting prowess. In this drama, Bilal brings depth and complexity to his character, drawing viewers into the narrative with his compelling performance.
शाबाश।
मुर्शिद साईं, ये महरीन है। ये और इनके वालिद पिछले काफी महीनों से आपसे मिलना चाह रहे थे।
बेटा
जी।
आपका तो बाहर सुभान अल्लाह और यहाँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
However, despite his talent, Bilal Abbas has some weak points that are worth noting. One area of improvement could be his range of roles. While he has delivered impressive performances, some critics argue that he tends to stick to similar characters and storylines. Exploring diverse roles could help him showcase his versatility as an actor and expand his project's diversity.
क्या हुआ था उन्हें इतना अचानक?
कुछ नहीं, वो बस उनको बहू लग गई थी। तो ये हाल है कि खुद पर हंसी आती है।
Additionally, there have been instances where Bilal's performances have lacked a certain level of spontaneity and naturalness. Some critics have noted moments where his delivery feels rehearsed or formulaic, detracting from the overall impact of his portrayal. Despite these weaknesses, Bilal Abbas remains a promising talent in Pakistani entertainment. With his dedication and potential, there is no doubt that he can overcome these challenges and continue to grow as an actor. As he continues to show his talent and explore new opportunities, audiences can look forward to witnessing his evolution on screen.
तेरा मेरा है प्यार।